Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So this video is different from the rest of the video. So all of you who need a budget camera for starting their vlog and moto vlogging. So I needed a good camera within a budget of around 6,000 to 7,000. So I came across this product. This is the NoiseGo action camera. So the name is Noise Play Vlog. So let me just unbox it for you all guys. So let's do it and let me show you the camera. So let's keep this aside, and this is the box. Let's open it and let's see. So according to the budget, I found this camera to be very good, very nice. Many of the if you go for the action camera for moto vlogging, you need an external mic also. External mic support generally to minimize the wind noise. So I found that the action camera, which was around above 10,000 rupees, they were having the support for the external mic, but this was the only camera within the budget, within the 10,000 rupees, which has the support for the external mic as well. And also it gets the external mic within the box, so you don't have to buy it additionally. So that's a good thing with this product. So let's open it. We have to cut here also. So it's open now. Let's see what we get. And here it is. So this is the Noise Play Vlog action camera. So this is the box of Noise Play Vlog action camera. So let's see the packaging first. You have the app support also. You can download the app from the Apple Play Store or the Google Play Store. So at the back there's nothing. The price has been mentioned around 7,999, but if you buy it on the Amazon, you'll get the discount and you'll get it around 5,999. So the color is gray, and there is some specification given. This is the website, www.gonoise.com. At the front it's written 4K support, 4K action camera, adventure everyday, and 4K video, waterproof housing, external mic. You also get the waterproof casing for this, and at the top is written charge before use. So we have to charge the battery also. And this is the camera. Let's open the box now. Let's open up the box. I don't know. So we have to open this case, and here is the camera. So if you open up this box, yes, this is the camera. And let's keep this aside. And this is what you get. Yeah, so these are the items which you get. First of all, the camera. So this is the play vlog camera which you get. You get the strap to mount the camera onto the helmet. You also get the external mic. This is the external mic. This is the USB for charging the battery. This is the casing. This is not the waterproof one, but these are the casing. The camera is already in the waterproof casing. Here you can see this is the waterproof casing. This is the manual. This is the cloth to wipe the generally to clean the lens and all. These are the mounts. This is the mount, and you also get extra 3M tape for the mount. So yes, this is all what you get inside the list. Now let's check out the camera. This is the camera itself. This is how it looks. This is inside the waterproof casing. All you have to do is open this up like this, and you have to pull this, and this will come out from the casing. So this is the camera, the Go Noise camera. Let's see the design. At this side you have the forward and previous button. This is the OK button for, I think, for shooting. This is the power button, and at this side you get the HDMI port, one USB port for charging, and you have the external mic jack here, and this is the SD card slot, and at the front you get the lens. It's written Noise Play Vlog Edition. So I'll be shooting, I'll be making and shooting vlog with this camera. You're gonna see my next vlog with this camera, this particular camera. So you're gonna know how is the performance and how is the quality of this camera. I'll drop a link in the description below. So from there you can check out this product from the Amazon. And here there's a battery slot. You just have to pull this. I think you have to pull this and you'll get the battery. This is the battery. It's written 3.7 volt lithium ion battery, which is 150 mAh. This is a chargeable. You can charge this back. You don't need any external charger. You just have to put in this camera. You have to just slide it back, and then you can plug it and you can charge it with the USB port. So that's all for now, guys. For my next vlog, and you'll know how's the camera quality. So yeah, more interesting videos to come up. Now I've got the vlogging camera, so more of the motor vlogging will be there. So yes, see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, enjoy.